Hey everyone, Kyle with Inkcell's Armory, and I have a new addition to the lineup of soundboards that we have available. Right here featured is our Pico Crumble all-in-one sound chassis, and the newest addition is the all-in-one Verso board. Those of you that aren't familiar with Verso, it features many of the same specs that the Pico Crumble offers. You have RGB, which allows you to have multiple colors. You have your ignition on and off sounds. You have your hum. You have your mute on the go feature as well too. The main difference between the Pico board and the Verso is smooth swing. So I'm going to show you that. Put in our battery. Let's turn it on. So you also have your clash sounds too. And you have your color changing features. All you do is you just double click the button. So we'll turn it off and I'll show you mute mode. So what we'll do is we'll still do the same press and hold. Now the difference is here, it'll issue out a sound. That sound indicates that the Saber is now in mute mode. So once you turn it on, you still get your clashes. Notice no sound, everything's great. Turn it off. Whole Saber's in mute mode. Turn it back on, it's still in mute mode, which is very, very different from the Pico Crumble. It's different from some of the other soundboards where you have to press and hold every single time to get it into mute mode. Now here, all we do is we give that same press and hold. You get a sound. Now it's out of mute mode, and we're back in business.